So bumping clearances, I had a couple of guys ask me about, quickly show us how you mean about doing bumping. Well, bumping is when you put the piston in a liner in your block with your shims. I usually start between 3 and 4 shims per liner. That's how I start. This one has got it on already. Then you have your cylinder head gasket. This is just a normal 1mm. A trick of mine, put a little bit of grease in it and then it will not fall out as often. Do that and then you push your piston down a little bit. Then you take a 2mm soldering wire. You put it across your piston from your injector pump side towards your exhaust side. Remember, this engine is not a rebuilt engine. I'm just doing it for illustrative purposes. It doesn't even have conrods in. Then you take your cylinder head, you place it on top of your liner. You take your bolts, you fasten it. I torque them 100 newtons per bolt. Then you turn your engine 360 degrees. You take out the bolts. You take off your cylinder head with your cylinder head gasket, and then if you take out the soldering wire, it's going to look like this when you guys are done. So this end and this end has been smashed. So you take then your vernier and you measure the size to see what it is. I usually build my engines between 1mm and 1.2mm. I know there's other guys that does it a little bit differently, maybe like 0.8mm to 1mm maybe, or 1mm to 1.3mm. I found the 1 to 1.2mm works excellent in any circumstances with any of these engines. So that's how you do the bumping clearance. Then you know how far your piston is from your cylinder head. So that's bumping in a nutshell. And if there's any other questions, please ask. You're almost always welcome to ask me anything. I'm not going to give out all my tricks because I still have a business to run myself. But if there's anything, I will do my best to try and assist you guys in any way that I can.